Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. So for today's video, we will create a daily life for my school. So let's start it. My name is Ashley, in short for Ellie.